The feeling is strange, it's far from the same, yeah. I need to get back to the basics.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's Tay Bryce and I am back with another video. So today, as you can tell by the title, it is my 12-month vlog update. Guys, I really cannot believe it's been 12 months. It's been a whole year. It's crazy because it doesn't even feel like it's been that long at all. But when I look back and I look through all of my pictures and whatnot, it really has been a year. I can't believe I made it a year locked, and I just want to thank you guys so much for just supporting me through my lock journey, and I'm just glad that we're able to have our own little community, and it just feels amazing. Yeah, so let's get into what my hair has been doing during this 12th month. What has my hair been doing? I don't know. There have not been any large changes with my hair. Like, I feel like after the first 6 months of my lock journey, I stopped seeing huge changes in my hair, which is not a bad thing, but yeah, I just stopped noticing huge changes. And as you can tell, in almost every video I've been saying, oh, not too much has changed. But yeah, so really there have been no huge changes with my hair. The only thing I will say is it is getting longer and my locks are starting to get thicker towards the end. So they are really locking. I really have locks, and that's just crazy to me. But as of right now, my hair is very dry. But that's because I haven't been paying attention to it at all. Like, I've been putting scarf after scarf after scarf on. Yeah, like my hair is pretty much wrapped 24/7. I wear a scarf on my head at work. I wear a scarf on my head when I get home. I wear a scarf to sleep. And then, yeah, so basically I'm just wearing a scarf 24/7. The only time I'm not really wearing my scarf is during the weekends if I'm doing something. As far as retwisting, I have not been on any schedule with a retwist, to be honest. For the first, like, again, 6 to 8 months of my lock journey, I was retwisting like every month. I did go 2 months without retwisting, and that was something. But to sum it all up, I'm not on a schedule when it comes to retwisting my hair. These days, I retwist it whenever. Obviously not too often, but I retwist it whenever I get the chance. So yeah. It's in between my retwists. It's not really a problem. I do wash my hair in between retwists. Yeah, just because sometimes I'll go 2 months without retwisting. But yeah, honestly, that's one thing that I really do love about my locks is there's no set schedule for when I do my hair or anything like that. And I like that because as a loose natural girl, I wasn't skipping doing my hair. So yeah, I just really like that because all I have to do is take my scarf off and I'm ready to go. I'm just so glad that I've made it a whole year with my lock. But yeah, like I said, my hair is getting longer and I'm loving that. I love that for me. I just really love the convenience of my locks and how they make me look. I love the look on me. Yeah, I feel like I was made for my locks, so period. But I'm just gonna get into showing you guys my hair because like I said, I don't have much to say. Thanks guys for sticking with me for this long. Be sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.